Hey everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you a zero waste Amazon haul. You guys loved my zero waste DIY video that I shared with you a little while ago, so today I thought it would be good to share some of the things that I purchased off of Amazon to help contribute to my family's journey on reducing single-use plastics. So I will link to my DIY video up here and down in the description box below. I feel like I need to do a follow-up video on that video, especially about the beeswax wraps, because there were so many questions. However, we did answer all the questions that came up the most, the FAQs, in the comments underneath that video, so make sure to check those out. I also feel like I need to reiterate that our family is on a journey. We just started trying to reduce single-use plastic this year. So we are not perfect at it. We still have single-use plastics in our home. We still have a lot of plastic in our home, but we're kind of taking it one step at a time. One of my daughters is really passionate about it, and she was really the catalyst to start all of this, and so I'm really proud of her. Just know that it's a journey. If you're on a similar journey, I think a little bit is better than nothing at all if we're trying to be a little more eco-conscious, more earth-friendly with the things that we buy, the things that we use. So that's kind of where I'm coming from. So these things I bought from Amazon are things that I thought I couldn't really DIY that well. Some of these things I have tried already, and some of them I just got. So I'm gonna share kind of a haul of slightly older things and things that I just received from Amazon with you. So the first items are these mesh produce bags. So I find that it's very easy to find fabric shopping bags anywhere. You get them from brands. Often they'll give them as freebies. You can buy them. I buy really nice ones at Dollarama, our dollar store here, but I find that the produce bags are harder to find. So these are an alternative to the single-use plastic bags that you put your apples in or your onions or whatever. So these ones I found on Amazon. I will link everything here down in the description box below, as well as the prices. I will link those down below too, so you can check that out. And I really like the quality of these. You probably could sew them with some sort of mesh fabric, but I thought when I was looking at mesh fabric prices, it seemed to me like just buying the finished mesh bags was substantially cheaper than buying the fabric and then making them. So something to keep in mind. So this one was a set of 5 bags, and I haven't used them yet. I just got them, so I'm excited to pop them. I'll pop them into my reusable bags in my van, and then I'll take them out when I go grocery shopping. I find that's one of my biggest problems. I don't know if any of you can sympathize, is I often just forget my reusable bags, and then I'm having to carry all of my groceries, or begrudgingly buying some plastic bags and using as few as possible, and then yeah, one of those things. So let me know if you deal with that issue in the comments below, and suggestions on how to remember reusable bags for grocery shopping. The next thing I bought off of Amazon were these Abigo beeswax wraps. So these beeswax wraps were a hot topic in my DIY zero waste video, and these were the ones, so I bought these in January or February. These were the ones that really started it all. These were the store-bought ones, and I think they feel very similar to the ones I purchased. I do really like these. They're maybe a little bit stickier. Some people say that they have a pine resin in them, which I haven't found to add to my DIY beeswax wraps. But other than that, I feel like they're very similar to my DIY wraps, and you can get these on Amazon as a set of 3. The next thing I got were these reusable Ziploc type bags. So in my last video, I was talking about using beeswax wrap as an alternative for cling wrap, for plastic wrap, and snack bags can be used sort of as an alternative for Ziploc, but they're not airtight, nor do I want to use those for raw meats or any foods that could cross-contaminate. So I thought these ones could be a really good option to use instead of throwaway Ziploc bags. So they have this kind of hard plastic topper, and then they have this silicone bottom, and I think you just pull off this topper, and then there's a little ridge on there. So they are airtight, so you could use these for, it looks like liquids, solids. Yeah, I think I want to give them a try. I haven't tried these yet, and try them for the things that maybe I would put in my freezer, and then you can just wash them with hot water and soap, so you could sanitize them. So this is a pack of 4. And I will link them in the description box below as well. They're all the same size. Looks like they can hold about 4 cups of food or liquid. The next thing I got off of Amazon was this glass tumbler with a protective sleeve. I do have a lot of reusable cups and mugs for my coffees and my iced coffees and waters. But this one I wanted to try because it has a really beautiful glass tumbler part. And of course I love the color of this. And I just thought it was really nice. This brand, this is the Ello brand. They also have what looks like kind of like a metal camping mug, but it's not metal. I think it's ceramic, and I want to get that one as well. But I thought this one would be so nice for iced coffee, things like that. Just really, really pretty. Has a wood and a glass. So there's a little less plastic altogether on this piece if you're the type of person that wants to try to eliminate most plastics, not just the single-use plastics like we're trying to do. And then finally, I got some more metal straws off of Amazon. I do have some already, and we got them from Walmart, I believe, and they're very similar to these ones. These ones are so pretty. They're like unicorn colors, sort of multicolored straws. So they have they have just the straight straws like this in this package, and then they also have the bendy straws as well. So I like using those for my iced coffees and things. This package also comes with a couple of these brushes to brush the straws as well. I actually just put mine in the dishwasher. There's actually a little tiny straw hole, or there's 3 or 6 straw holes in my dishwasher that I put them in there. And that seems to work pretty well. What I did like about this one was that it came with a case. So you could pop this in your purse or your bag and bring them along with you to a restaurant or whatever. So I thought that was a really nice touch. So that is my zero waste Amazon haul. Let me know what your favorite product is down in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my DIY zero waste ideas. I will link that down in the description box below as well. And I also want to hear if you are doing any sort of journey like we are on, where you're trying to reduce single-use plastic and how you're doing that. I know a lot of you commented on my last video and had some amazing ideas that were very inspiring to me. I would love to hear. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. And I will leave some more videos for you to watch right up here.